FedNow instant growth. Where are we and where are we going? Hey, everybody. It's time to celebrate a milestone that's moving faster than ever before. That's right. The FedNow service actually just wrapped up its second year, but it also, at the same time, wrapped up its second quarter, the second quarter of 2025. And the numbers are in, and the reality is, they're nothing short of instantaneous impressiveness. Trust me on this. The numbers don't lie. I'm just showing you the numbers. This is well beyond, this is not my opinion. This is facts. Let's start with where we are right now as of quarter two, 2025. You ready for this? 2.13 million payments settled in a single quarter. That's more than double from what we saw a year ago. That translates to $245 billion in value. 245 billion with a B. The average value payment, this one's blowing my mind, $115,000. It went up. I can't believe it went up. But that showcases how FedNow can be used in so many different ways. And well, you're probably saying, what about the daily volumes? What do those look like? We're seeing over 23,000 transactions flowing through the network. And that's with over 1,400 financial institutions now live. That's not bad, considering this was a platform that was, let's be honest, still crawling a little in 2023 with just 5,500 payments total.
Wow.
The growth trajectory. What's it look like? What's happening? Let's look how fast this thing is scaling. Quarterly payments, actually, the volume jumped 63% in just 90 days. Payment value surged more than 400%. Okay, you ask me, that's not a hockey stick. That's not a growth curve. That's a vertical takeoff. But what if we take the data and we make some projections for 2026? You ready for this? Because where are we actually headed if these trends continues? What does the math say? Well, based on moderating for a stronger growth curve and even more institutions joining, and I did numbers at about 1,650, by the end of 2026, what should we see? Well, by quarter four, 2026, we could and we should see 15 million settled payments per quarter. That could translate to over 1.5 trillion in payment value. That was trillion. On a daily basis, we would be talking about nearly 200,000 instant payments a day settling in seconds.
Wow.
That's like turning every financial institution into a 24/7 instant payment settlement powerhouse. Yeah, services and products you want to be offering, I'm sure. If you want to learn more, go to pigeon.net and get signed up with FedNow. For now, happy birthday, FedNow, and class dismissed.